Want to turn simple content into serious cash? In the year 2025, making over $4,000 a week with Google AdSense is more possible than ever, and today I'm going to show you how. Whether you're starting from zero or already creating content, this step-by-step guide will unlock a real income opportunity. In this video, we'll break down how to start, grow, and monetize content with AdSense even if you have absolutely no experience at all. So grab a notebook and let's jump in. First, let's understand the basics. Google AdSense is a free program by Google that allows you to earn money by placing ads on your content, whether it's a blog, a website, or your YouTube videos. Every time someone views or clicks one of those ads, you make money. AdSense pays two main ways: by cost per click and by cost per 1,000 impressions. The best part, you don't need to sell anything. Just create good content, drive traffic, and let Google handle the rest. Now let's talk platforms. Where can you use AdSense to make real money? There are three major places to start. Number 1, your own blog or website. This is ideal for long-term content like how-to guides or niche articles. Number 2, your YouTube channel, probably the most popular method today. And number 3, free blogging platforms like blogger.com, which is owned by Google, wix.com, or wordpress.com. Quick tip: owning your own domain name, like blog.com, helps with search engine ranking and makes monetization easier in the long run. To maximize your earnings, you need to choose a niche with high ad value, also known as high CPM, that's cost per 1,000 impressions. In 2025, the top paying niches include personal finance, like budgeting or investing, technology reviews and tutorials, artificial intelligence and automation, health and wellness, online education and study tips, digital marketing and SEO. These topics attract advertisers willing to pay more. Want to do some research? Use tools like Ubersuggest or Semrush to find keywords with high value and high search volume. The better your niche, the higher your earnings. Content is king, and consistency is queen. Here's how to make content that earns. If you're a blogger, focus on writing in-depth articles with strong SEO. For example, 10 best AI tools to boost productivity in 2025. That's a powerful headline. If you're a YouTuber, consider making faceless videos using tools like Pictory, InVideo, or Synthesia. These tools let you make videos using stock footage, text-to-speech, and AI avatars. Make sure your content adds value, solves problems, and includes high-ranking keywords naturally. And most importantly, stay consistent. Next step: getting your AdSense account approved. Follow these steps. Step 1. Visit Google AdSense and sign up with your Gmail account. Step 2. Link your blog, website, or YouTube channel. Step 3. If you're using a website, copy the AdSense code onto your site. Step 4. Wait for approval. It usually takes between 2 to 14 days. Want to speed up approval? Make sure your website has at least 10 to 15 original articles, a clean professional design, and all the necessary pages like about, contact, and privacy policy. These small steps make a big difference. Let's get real about the numbers. Can you really earn $4,000 a week? Yes, but it takes work. Here's a breakdown. Suppose you create content in a high CPM niche, like artificial intelligence or tech. You could earn between $15 to $25 per 1,000 views. To earn $600 to $800 a day, you'd need between 40,000 and 60,000 views daily. That's how you hit over $4,000 weekly. How do you scale that? Focus on keyword targeting. Write guest posts to build backlinks. Use email newsletters to bring people back. And share your content on platforms like Pinterest, LinkedIn, and Twitter. In 2025, Google AdSense isn't about luck, it's about smart strategy, high-value topics, and consistent content. With the right mindset and a little bit of hustle, $4,000 a week is completely possible. Now here's your next step. Take a look at this. This is a real example of how we created one simple article, published it, and started earning passive income for Google AdSense in less than 3 weeks. And guess what? You can do it too. Don't wait another day. If this video helped you even a little, give it a big thumbs up. Hit that like button. It really supports the channel. Drop a comment below. What's your niche? Are you doing blogs, videos, or both? And if you want more tutorials like this, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an upload. This is Coincrafts, where simple ideas become powerful income. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.